In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in Forex trading in Exness. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up their trading panel over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my demo accounts. If you don't know how to create these and get to the web terminal to trade in Exness, you can watch the video on my channel. I do have that tutorial as well. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to select the Exness terminal, and then here you can then go ahead and buy and sell for Forex. Okay, so here under the instruments you can see the drop down menu. You can just select the Forex you'd like to trade. So for example, I'm going to go to majors, I'm going to select Euro USD, and right now the markets are closed, but whenever they are open you'll be able to see this box over here where you can just click on buy and sell, and then you can select the market or pending order, the amount of volume you would like to buy or sell, take profits, stop losses if you want to, and then you can confirm the buy or sell down here at the bottom, and you will open a position that way. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.